What could really be going on when someone you've just met online wants you to open an account in your name? Let's find out. Welcome. Every day, I break down personal finance questions asked on Stack Exchange, highlight the community's best answers, and sprinkle in some actionable takeaways. If you're into learning a little more about money each day, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now let's dig into today's question. Today we're exploring a common question. Should a person open an online account for someone they met online? Here's the original question as it was posted to Stack Exchange. I'm going to scroll through it quickly so you can see the whole question, but feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry. After this, I'll walk you through the key points of the question so you get the big picture. So to sum it up, this person has been asked to open an account with Resolute-Citizen Bank to transfer payments for items ordered by a petroleum engineer on a Cyprus oil rig. They even reached out to the supplier to confirm costs, since the engineer claimed poor connectivity. Despite seeing a recent $1 million credit, they're left wondering if this is a legitimate deal or possibly a scam. Here's the top-rated answer from the community on Stack Exchange. I'll scroll through it quickly so you can see the full answer. Feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry, I'll highlight the key points of this answer in just a few moments. One user points out that a stranger asking for help with financial moves is likely a scam. They advise that people with substantial money should only trust relatives with account access to avoid being connected to money laundering activities. Now, before we jump into the next part, if this video has been helpful so far, be sure to tap the like button and subscribe to the channel. We post new personal finance videos every day to help you make smarter money moves. Here's another answer that was shared in the Stack Exchange thread. Like before, I'm going to scroll through it quickly, so feel free to pause the video if you want to read it yourself. Otherwise, I'll highlight the main points of this answer in just a few seconds. One response points out that Resolute-Citizen Bank seems suspicious due to missing contact details and its absence from the FDIC database, indicating it might not be real. This lack of information suggests a potential scam. If any personal banking details were shared, contacting one's bank right away is crucial. Here's one last answer from original post on Stack Exchange. I'll quickly scroll through the answer so you can read it. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. And just like before, I'll be highlighting the main points of this answer for you in just a few seconds. In this answer, it's suggested that the person might be a money mule and should stop communication and notify the police. They should check for any compromised personal details, consider freezing their credit, run a virus scan on their devices, and think about getting identity theft insurance if sensitive info was shared. All right, now that we've seen what the community had to say, here's our take on this question. It's important to avoid sharing personal or financial information with strangers online, since scammers often use fake stories to build trust. Be wary of requests to open accounts or transfer money for others, as real businesses handle their own transactions. Always report anything suspicious to the authorities. Update compromised passwords and keep a close eye on your accounts. So here's what we've learned in this video. Never share personal or financial details with strangers online, as it might be a scam. Legitimate businesses handle their own transactions. Always report suspicious activity to authorities, secure your data, and be cautious of implausible stories or requests for help from strangers. Thanks for watching. Before you go, did you learn something new from this video? If so, be sure to drop a like on the video to let us know.